You are going to love the 2024 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window defroster. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a limited powertrain warranty, a comprehensive inspection, roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai Certified program.